Welcome back, and today I got from Target the other day, which was a Spongebob from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. I mean, 1, 2, 3 left in my Spongebob collection, but I have Mr. Krabs. Here's some Spongebob for truck type named Spongebob Sqaurepants. Here's a character truck type for strength is All-Walk. Super Fancy. The crash attack was Bubble Bash, and motivation would become a monster of a mouth. So let's get into it. So here it is. This is Spongebob Hot Wheels Monster Truck. Here's cool Spongebob Sqaurepants. Wheels look awesome. It does have SpongeBob bubbles on the top as well. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Over and out.